Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So one of the biggest trends that we are going to see towards the end of 2022 and into 2023 is the look of layers. From butterfly layers, 70s inspired, the wolf cut trend, shaggy haircuts, all of them are pretty much hairstyles that showcase a lot of volume and a lot of layers. Women are starting to figure out how to help their hair to appear more voluminous and healthy, and that is through the use of layers as well as blowouts. So here we see someone with the butterfly layered look. This is a look that typically features curtain bangs in the front, gorgeous 70s style layers throughout, and the stylist of course did a blowout in order to create more volume. So here someone is once again getting that butterfly layered look. So if you are interested in this trend, you do want to go to a professional stylist. And she also has bottleneck bangs with this particular haircut. That is a trend that features bangs that are just a bit longer than the fringe style bangs, shorter than the curtain bangs, and they are split down the middle. Now what's great about this hairstyle is that it is low maintenance. Here we see a mommy makeover, someone getting a shaggy haircut. And here are some different variations of the shag. You can of course get this haircut if you have curly hair as well. And then we have more of a shaggy layered bob for this next hairstyle. This is a great option if you want to cut your hair shorter, but you want to add some volume to it if your hair is on the thinner side. Color at the bottom also added a nice dimensional tone as well. And here is another play on that layered bob look. So hers is going to be done on mid-length hair. So if you guys are inspired by any of today's layered hairstyles, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And of course, don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. You can also check the description box for more detailed versions of some of the hottest hair trends that we are going to be seeing the end of this year and into 2023. So the stylist is doing curtain style bangs with this particular haircut as well. So you can see that her hair has so much body and volume. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. So then we have more layers being added for the next cut. Beautiful. Now she does have softer layers for this one, not too dramatic, but this is still a great way to add some shape and some texture to your longer strands. And then we have another butterfly haircut for this next one. This particular haircut infuses a lot of layers and the colors really add a great dimensional tone. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.